Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at how to create a new team in Microsoft Teams and start to invite people to that particular team. And this will be a pretty quick tutorial, just kind of going through some of the basics of setting up a team. And if you do find it useful, please do click on the like button and hit subscribe. It means a lot to the channel. And with all that said, let's jump on over to Microsoft Teams. Okay, so here I am just within one of my standard supply chain channels, and what I'm going to do is just make sure that we navigate to the team section here on the far left hand side. From here we want to actually navigate all the way down to the bottom where it says join or create a team. If we give that a click, from here we are presented with a few different things. We are presented with the ability to create a team or to join a team with a code. Or see any other teams that are currently out there in the public domain ready for us to join. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is actually create a team from scratch. So I'm just going to click Create Team, and then we have a couple of different options here. We have the ability to create a team from scratch or to create a team from a template. So I can choose a Microsoft Teams team, and I can choose a pre-existing team that I have, such as supply chain. And then basically it creates a copy of that particular team. If you don't want to create it from a template, you can actually build a team from scratch. So that would be this option here. And you have the option here to make it a public team or a private team. So I'm going to do a private team, and I'm just going to call this a test team. Okay, then you can give your team a description. So this is a test. Okay, and then I can create that team, and what that's going to do is it's going to create a team within your Microsoft Teams application, but also at the same time create a SharePoint site to hold all of your team's conversations and files, etc. The next dialog box that actually appears here is to add members to your team. Now obviously you can add them one by one here and add multiple people into the team this way, or we can click the option here just to skip. So I'm just going to click skip on this one here, and now we can see if I just collapse my supply chain, we have a test team. Inside the test team we have the post, the files and the wiki, which are all preset by Microsoft Teams. Now what I can do here is actually click on the ellipsis of that team and go to manage team, and then from here we have the ability to add members, see any pending requests, channels, settings, analytics, etc. So I'm just going to click on settings here and go to create a team code. I can generate a team code now here, and I can copy this to my clipboard. So now I can invite other people within the organization to join my team using this particular code, rather than having to add people in manually. If you, however, don't want to create a code, what you can do obviously is just go to the members section here and click add member, and then same as the dialog box that we saw before, we can add people into the specific team. Okay, and that is it, guys. I just wanted to go over the basics of how you might go about creating a team from scratch, or how you would basically copy a pre-existing team and basically make a copy of that team ready to go as a new team for you to use as a template. And that is it. So if you found this video useful, please do click on the like button, hit subscribe and tap that bell. It means a lot to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.